Republic of the Congo issues diplomatic and official visas for travelers visiting the country for formal and government-related purposes. This visa is issued to diplomats, government officials, and representatives traveling to the DRC for official duties such as state missions, conferences, and formal engagements. It applies to heads of state, diplomatic staff, officials from international organizations, and their immediate family members traveling as part of the official mission. Applicants must provide a valid passport with at least 6 months validity, a completed visa application form, an official invitation or diplomatic note, proof of travel plans, financial support, and required health documents. The application process begins by carefully filling out the visa application form and submitting all required documents. Once everything is reviewed and approved, the visa authorization is issued. This visa is strictly for official travel purposes and must be used according to the assigned diplomatic mission.